विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. आदले नुवेचे आमदार मिकी पाशेकोक शेनवारान न्यायालयान सशर्त अटकपूर्व जामीन मंजूर केला. मडगांवच्या दक्षिण गोंय अतिरिक्त सत्र न्यायालयाचे न्यायाधीश सायनोरा लाड हांणी पाशेकोक 20,000 दंड भरून जामीन मंजूर केला. ह्या मंजुरान कांय अटी घाल्या. आरडीएक्स ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Yeah, bail is granted on the surety of 20,000 and reporting is given that he should report for 10 to 1 for 5 days if it is required by the Ayog. And general conditions are imposed to it, and they have told him not to enter Betalbadi for 15 days and not to enter Uttar for 60 days. So tomorrow we also be happy that to comply this condition, because tomorrow we want to prove this case is false. We want to give them maximum chance, and we challenge them to come and prove these allegations which they have made, and we will be exposing them by getting the correct real footage of the CCTV, and also we want to expose them by showing the correct unedited video from the mobile which we are asking for the police. So we are happy that the order and the court has acted as per law, and we are very much happy with the order. And from the start we've been crying that the video is not a proper video. From the start we are saying that he himself came with a car. He has covered a distance of 3 kilometers on a car. He has come with a vehicle. He himself has abused the law because he's taken law in his own hand. He goes and provokes a person having it. If he has any grievance, he should have filed a complaint and got to the law authority.
If you see the previous first day, the video which is on circulation, that video itself says about the parachute, about where from Betalbati he comes 3 kilometers to Uttar where he was sitting and having a food. See, this parachute issue which comes in Betalbati comes under jurisdiction of Kolwa police. Kolwa police just made an NC, okay, because there's no case. There's no case completely. The second issue, which is Uttar, comes under the Venna police station, and therefore I don't want to make any comment on the way it had been done. But it is duty now to this police to investigate, okay, about the complainant who does not even know the story exactly. His son, measure in age, 25 years old, who comes only in Goa month of November, December to do all this illegal business here, and then after 2 months he goes. Okay. I don't know who's running the water sport. His mother running or he running. He's entitled to run the water sport. That also I don't know. But then the whole media given such a coverage, and the video been viral, and that even our local media was monitoring this. This is only somebody pushed him to do this. I don't name it, but of course his father, one of my always against my politics career. So